Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you that how you can get benefit from your platelet-rich plasma or PRP. Platelet-rich plasma or PRP is a concentration of platelets and growth factors that are derived from person's own blood. It is a popular treatment in sports medicine and orthopedics, as well as dermatology and plastic surgery. To create PRP, a small amount of blood is drawn from patients, then spun in a centrifuge machine to separate platelets from the other blood cells. The resulting platelet concentrate contains a high concentration of growth factors that can help to promote healing and tissue regeneration. Platelet rich plasma therapy is a medical treatment that involves injecting concentrated platelets from patient's own blood into damaged area of the body to promote healing and reduce pain. PRP therapy is used to treat variety of conditions including joint pain, muscle strains and tears, osteoarthritis, tendinitis and chronic wounds. It is also used in cosmetic treatment to improve the appearance of the skin, hair, and nails. In orthopedics, the treatment process involves injecting the PRP directly into the affected area, either under ultrasound or X ray guidance. The procedure is minimally invasive and typically takes less than an hour to complete. PRP has been used to treat various conditions, including joint pain. The concentrated platelets are then injected directly into the affected joints. The platelets release growth factors and other proteins that promote healing and reduce inflammation. If you are considering PRP therapy for joint pain, it is important to consult with a medical professional to determine if it is suitable treatment option for your specific needs. They can provide more information on the risks and the benefits of PRP therapy as well as other treatment options that may be available. If you like this video, then give us a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.